Hello guys, welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to solve the question on the board using the principles of stoichiometry and also the ideal gas equation. The question is as follows. What volume of ammonia at 27 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure will be obtained by thermal decomposition of 26.25 grams of ammonium chloride? To solve this question, the first thing that needs to be done is to find the number of moles of ammonia that the decomposition of 26.25 grams of ammonium chloride corresponds to. From the balanced chemical equation, the molar mass or the molecular mass of ammonium chloride can be determined as follows. Nitrogen is 14, hydrogen is 1, there are 4 atoms, that is times 4, plus chlorine, which is 35.5. So, this gives us 35.5 plus 18. So that is 53.5 grams. And then, the number of moles of ammonia that is here is 1 mole. Like I said, the first thing we need to do is to find the number of moles of ammonia that the decomposition of 26.25 grams of ammonium chloride will correspond to. When we get that, we can now find the volume of ammonia at 27 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. So, from the chemical equation, we can say that 53.5 grams of ammonium chloride gives 1 mole of ammonia. So, if 26.25 grams of ammonium chloride gives X moles of ammonia, and we cross multiply, that is going to be X times 53.5 is going to be equal to 1 times 26.25. X in this case will become 1 times 26.25 divided by 53.5. And this will give us 0.5 moles of ammonia. So what this means is that the thermal decomposition of 26.25 grams of ammonium chloride gives 0.5 moles of ammonia. Now that we know this, we can find the volume. First, the temperature according to the question is 27 degrees Celsius. This has to be converted to Kelvin. This is equal to 27 plus 273, which will give us 300 Kelvin. The pressure is 1 atm. So the molar gas constant will be 0.0821. And the number of moles in this case is 0.5 moles. N is 0.5. And we are looking for V. So, using the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Making V the subject, V will become nRT over P. And this is going to be 0.5 times 0.0821 times temperature, which is 300, over the pressure, which is 1. And this will give us 12.315 liters. So, the volume of ammonia at 27 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure that will be obtained by the thermal decomposition of 26.25 grams of ammonium chloride is 12.315 liters. Thank you very much for viewing. See you in the next class.